The very hungry caterpillar. I see a caterpillar. A very good morning to you. It is a warm day. The sun comes up in the morning. He ate through one apple. These, these are pears. These are plums. These are strawberries. These are strawberries. I see 5 books. Do you like to eat watermelon? I like to eat a slice of watermelon. Watermelon. He has a stomachache. I felt good in the morning. This cat is fat. This is a caterpillar's cocoon. This is a caterpillar's cocoon. Do you know all the days of a week? Do you know all the days of a week? The rabbit nibbled on the food. He pushed the door. This is a beautiful butterfly. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and popped out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday he ate through 2 pears. Pears. 2 pears. Pears. 2 pears. Pears. But he was still hungry. On Wednesday he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Oh, Saturday he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry any more, and he wasn't little little caterpillar anymore. He was a big fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. Stayed he stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. Which state do you live in? For example, I live in Tamil Nadu. I follow everything about my state. I like to ride through the state. I will I will leave this state. I will leave this state. What will you change in your state?